Step 1. Define your vision of financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't just about having money. It's about having choices. The first step is to define what it means to you. Is it retiring early, traveling the world, or simply living without financial stress? Take a moment to visualize your ideal life. Write it down. This vision will be your North Star, guiding every decision you make. Remember, clarity is power. When you know where you're headed, every step you take becomes intentional and meaningful. Step 2. Build a solid financial foundation. Now that you have a vision, it's time to lay the groundwork. Start by creating a budget that aligns with your goals. Track your income and expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back. Next, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net will protect you from life's unexpected curveballs. Finally, tackle high-interest debt. Whether it's credit cards or loans, paying off debt frees up resources for your future. Think of this step as building the foundation of a house. Without it, everything else crumbles. Step 3. Invest in yourself and your future. Financial freedom isn't just about saving. It's about growing. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills or advancing your career. The more you earn, the faster you'll reach your goals. Simultaneously, start investing your money wisely. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or a retirement account, let your money work for you. Remember, time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the more compound interest can work its magic. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Step 4. Live below your means. Here's a truth that changed my life. You don't need to keep up with the Joneses. Living below your means is one of the most powerful habits you can develop. It's not about deprivation. It's about prioritizing what truly matters. Spend on experiences and things that bring you joy, but avoid unnecessary expenses. Automate your savings and investments so you're consistently setting money aside. By living below your means, you create a buffer that allows you to take risks, seize opportunities, and stay on track toward your goals. Step 5. Stay committed and adapt along the way. The journey to financial freedom isn't a straight line. It's a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt. But here's the secret. Success belongs to those who stay committed. Celebrate small wins along the way, and don't be afraid to adjust your plan as life evolves. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and support you. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you've envisioned. Final thoughts. You've got this. Financial freedom isn't a distant dream. It's a reality within your reach. By following these 5 steps, you're taking control of your future and creating a life of abundance and choice. Believe in yourself, stay disciplined, and keep moving forward. The journey may not always be easy, but it will be worth it. So take that first step today. Your future self will thank you. Let's make it happen, together.